How to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.lloydsbank.com/credit-cards/activate.html. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see various options. Scroll down and tap on the Activate Your Card Online option. Here too, you will see various options. Tap on the first option where you will see the Activate Your Credit Card button. You will now be asked to enter your credit card number, your date of birth, and the expiration date of your card. So go ahead and enter all these details and tap on the Activate button. And with this, you will be able to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.